tuck low in the mix. Back on pitch, vocal tops, recording no delay. Texture only, not a hook singer. I don't check twice, I don't replay. If it don't add up, I let it stay that way. Used to overthink every word you say. Now we hit all, it don't hit the same. I've been moving smooth, don't force shit. If it feel heavy, I ignore it. Used to need answers, now I'm bored with anything that come with a story. I don't chase vibes, I attract them. If it's not peace, I subtract them. They be talking like I own time. I don't even know myself, that pressure. Oh.